I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Hello, y'all. Hello. Thank you for stopping by to see me today. I know it's been a long time coming. Whew. That goes to show you I really don't like to cook like I say I do, but I can cook though. I just don't like to cook that much. Okay, but I'm so busy lately. Yeah, I'm busy. But you know, the holidays, Thanksgiving's gone, Christmas here, almost here. And people, I've been looking at some recipes that I'm going to be trying. The recipes from TikTok. Some of them look so delicious. And I want to know, have any of you ever tried any of the recipes on TikTok? Put it on down there in the comment section so I can figure out if I want to cook it and show the people, all right? Now, the one I'm thinking about cooking sounds very good. It's two of them, really. It's called sweet potato dump cake. If I tell you it looks so good. And I love me some sweet potato, y'all. But I'm telling you, people be creating stuff. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it becomes a trend and sometimes it doesn't. Well, I'm going to show you this video. This guy is making it. But I think he's baking his. You can bake it in the oven if you want to, or you can put it in a crock pot. I might put mine in a crock pot because I'm lazy as hell, okay? But we'll see. We'll see when the video comes. And tell me if you think this is good. Here we go.
There's a lot of sweet potato dump cake recipes out there, but baby, this one tops.
I'm sorry, did I say he? I think it's a she. Moving right along, here we go.
There's a lot of sweet potato dump cake recipes out there, but baby, this one tops them all. Starting off with 3 large sweet potatoes that I baked for about 45 minutes, mixed well, and I'm adding half a stick of melted butter.
She's good, she's telling us what she's adding in it.
Along with 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Sorry, I need more than 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
3/4 cups of sugar and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Mixing it up really well and setting it to the side. Next, we're going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk to 1 block of softened cream cheese. Mix that up, set that to the side. And now we're going to spread our sweet potato mixture evenly in the pan, and then we're going to top that off with the cream cheese mixture. And look, this is the kicker right here. We are using a gingerbread cake mix. Yes, not none of the other stuff. Use this gingerbread cake mix. Takes it over the top. And then I am grating 2 sticks of cold butter. To me, it just spreads a little bit more evenly, but you certainly don't have to do that.
I didn't ever think to do that, y'all. Cold butter, just take it and just grate it. I'm learning something every day.
And I'm adding some pecan pieces. And then I'm going to top the whole thing off with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. And I'm going to bake this in the oven at 375 for about an hour. Let's see how Rashad like it.
They want me to try it.
That's Rashad from Country Wayne. I like him. He gets done wrong by women, y'all. I like him, though.
Oh, that's bomb as hell. Sheesh. This is flagging sweet potato pie. Way better than sweet potato pie.
Oh, I gotta try that, y'all. That looks so good. That gingerbread cake mix? I didn't know they made such a thing. I think that would be better on it. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna make it. And I'm not going to lie now. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to tell you that it's good and it's not. And I can even probably tell you what you need to add more of and less of. Okay? It's going to be good. I know it is. Let me move on to the cheesy chicken broccoli. What's it called? Let me be sure. cheesy chicken broccoli rice casserole. How many of y'all love chicken, broccoli, and rice with cheese? I'm telling you, ooh, it can be wonderful according to who makes it. I want y'all to take a look at this and tell me, does it sound good? But I'm going to do the sweet potato dump cake first. Here we go. I'm hungry already. Man.
Cheesy chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. Now, this recipe is one of them ones you're going to want to keep in your back pocket for the holidays, because you will be making it for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So let me show y'all how to make it. Let's ride. We're going to start off with some chicken thighs, and we're going to season those with some like garlic pepper.
I like chicken thighs too, y'all. A lot of people like chicken breast, but I like chicken thigh boneless, okay? Then cut it up, like that. To me, it's more moist. It's more moist. That's what I'm trying to say. Move right along.
Seasoning onion powder, a little cayenne, paprika, and some salt. Add in some olive oil and mix it until...
Okay, hold on. I'll start it back over for you. Yes, I messed up. Here we go.
Cheesy chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. Now, this recipe is one of them ones you're going to want to keep in your back pocket for the holidays, because you will be making it for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So let me show y'all how to make it. Let's ride. We're going to start off with some chicken thighs, and we're going to season those with some like garlic pepper seasoning, onion powder, a little cayenne, paprika, and some salt. Add in some olive oil and mix it until everything is evenly coated like this.
You notice he's not telling you how much he's using as far as seasonings. Tablespoon of that, teaspoon of this, and that. He's not telling you. So with this recipe, you're going to have to figure it out. Okay? You're going to have to figure it out. I'm good at figuring things out. Even people.
Now, in a pan, we're going to add in some butter, and then we're going to cook the chicken thighs on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes.
Ooh.
When they start to look a little bit like this, that means they're good to go. You want to be able to see the flavor. Now, we're going to take these off the heat, and we're going to set them aside while we work on our sauce. Add in some garlic to the same pan, give it a good mix, and deglaze with some chicken broth. Make sure you're getting all the little brown bits off the bottom, because that's flavor. Now, we're going to add in some cream of chicken, whipped herb, and to the same can, add some heavy cream, and then pour that in. We're going to
I know y'all don't want to use Campbell's. But they have some of the best tasting chicken broth and soup. I'm just saying. I'm going to use it. Okay? All this other stuff that you're eating, you don't know what's in that either. Especially when you go out to eat at restaurants. All right? So stop it, y'all. Stop it. All right? Stop it.
Got a good mix until it's evenly incorporated. Then we're going to add in some freshly grated cheddar cheese and some Boursin cheese.
Boursin?
Lastly, top it off with some sour cream and season it with the same seasonings used with the chicken.
What the hell is Boursin cheese? What is that? I guess I can find it at Publix. I don't think I'm going to find it at Kroger's or Walmart, Food Depot. I don't know. Move right along. Probably good, whatever it is. Y'all know what it is. Put it on down in the comment section.
Now we're going to give it a good mix until it has a nice thick consistency like this. And always taste along the way to make sure it's right. Now chop up the chicken and some cooked broccoli into whatever size pieces you like. I like mine to be a little thick, so I ain't really do too much. Now in a bowl, we're going to add in some cooked rice with some of that broccoli and some of the chicken pieces. And then we're going to cover that in the cheese sauce until it's nice consistency. You want to make sure you're mixing it up really good because you want it even throughout. And then we're going to add a bottom layer to a baking dish. And then we're going to top that with some cheddar cheese. And then we're going to add another layer, smooth it out, and top it with some more cheddar cheese. Add as much as your heart desires. Just make sure it's even on the top. Now, once it looks a little something like this, we're going to add it to an oven at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. This recipe is my holiday hero and will be yours too. Make sure y'all following along for all my Thanksgiving must-haves. I'm out.
Oh, that look good, y'all. Oh, that look good. That's why so many people fat, y'all. The food is good. A lot of people be saying, oh, people big because they greedy. Or people big because they stressed out and depressed. Not all the time. People big because the food is good, y'all. It's magnificent. Especially when you have someone who can cook real good. My goodness. I'm going to be trying out more recipes. Because, sometimes you just want something different. You don't always want the same stuff all the time, right? You don't, okay? And y'all can send me some of your recipes. If you know that is good, I want to try it. Don't be afraid to think I'm going to be down in your recipe. If you put enough seasoning in it, if it looks good and it tastes good and it's moist, ain't nobody got to talk about your food. But I know everybody's taste bud is different. I know this, all right? So go down in the comment section and tell me, do you think I should make this video with the sweet potato casserole dump cake? That's what I'm trying to say. Put it on down there. I'm going to make it before Christmas. You're going to see that video. All right. Thank you. And I'll be back. I promise. I will. And thank you for watching Cooking with Sandra Fay.